Good morning! How are you all? Okay, so today we're going to be doing one of my favourite soups, like ever. I learnt this soup, crikey, it must have been a good 25 years ago when I was working in a restaurant from one of the big burly chefs. He used to love to make this soup and I've been making it almost weekly really ever since. It's such a good soup and I know all of my friends really enjoy this one as well. So it's tomato and red lentil. And so obviously we're going to be using some dried red lentils today, and they are packed full of protein and iron and things like that, so they're really, really good for you. But I normally batch make this soup, but it doesn't normally last that long in this house, so I'm going to make a nice big pot, but really between us and the family it doesn't really last that long. So yes, you can obviously half the portion if you just want to make half for you. So yes, I think a portion this size is going to make about 8 portions of soup, and it's suitable for freezing, so you can pop it in the freezer as well. Alright, so let's get cooking.